So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Waqas and you are watching Waqastech. So guys, in this short tutorial I am going to show you the review of iOS 16.3.1. Basically this is the battery review of iOS 16.3.1 after 1 day. As you can see, this is a lower device iPhone 8 and right now it's running on iOS 16.3.1. So let's start video and check the battery health and battery backup on that device. Firstly, open iPhone setting. In setting you need to scroll down and tap on battery section. You can see a person screen here are showing battery section, and as you can see this is iPhone 8 and right now it's showing battery health on service. Right now you can see its battery maximum capacity 76%. Make sure your optimized battery charge and clean energy charging is turned on when you try to get the battery backup better. Now you can see a person screen, last charge showing here 100%, 6:30 a.m. Tuesday, and right now it's Wednesday and it's time to, you can see a person screen, it's time right now showing 6:43. Now scroll down and check the activity. You can see screen time maximum on 26 minutes and YouTube 24% use, battery white studio also 90% use, and in short and other app also using battery right now. Check the show activity more. Okay, you can see a person screen here are showing all activity that using battery on my iPhone right now. In my opinion, basically iOS 16.3.1 battery backup is excellent and there is no battery bug in that update right now. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how's the battery of iOS 16.3.1 on iPhone 8 that is lower device and is running on iOS 16.3.1. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.